I discovered the best recipe for donuts and it is super delicious. Let's use 2 eggs here in a bowl, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a good pinch of salt, and let's beat it very well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's add 50 grams of butter. Mix it all again until it's all homogeneous. And now we are going to add 350 grams of. Now we just have to mix it all until it's all together and turns to a dough like this. Now it's super easy, guys. We can do the format, the shape we prefer. I'm going to make like donuts, as you can see. And if you wanna make little balls or anything else, you can do it, okay? Let's repeat this process until it's all over. Here I'm gonna teach you guys very closely how I made it. You just have to roll it with your hands like this and then just stick both bottoms. This recipe is very good, guys. Here I have already made lots of times. If you knew this recipe already, tell me down here what you thought about it. If you didn't know, guys, you have to try making it at your house. It's just a few ingredients and it's super delicious. Now let's put oil in a frying pan and not too hot. Okay, we are going to fry the donuts. It can't be too hot, guys, because then it will burn on the outside and not cook on the inside. After it's brown on one side, we are going to turn it around to wait for it to fry on the other side. Done that, we are going to put it on a paper towel and repeat this process until it's all over. This recipe is to give water in your mouth. Seriously, make it at your house and everybody will be surprised with this recipe. And to let it even more delicious, you can put some sugar on top of it, okay? That will be even more delicious. You can add sugar with cinnamon, but just like this, it is already very delicious. Just take a look at it, it's super crunchy. Make it at your house, then I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna love it and you won't regret trying it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked it, this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Knowing your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you and see you guys around.